Hi guys, welcome back to another Rick the Spud mechanic video. I'm not a mechanic and my voice box has left the chat, but I feel fine. But I thought this would be really handy to anyone who's going to do a Mazda MX5 Miata service, NA, NB, it's all pretty similar. This is an NB, ignore the Porsche badge, it's a bit of a joke, but this is literally everything you need to do in about 2 or 3 minutes. First up, and the easiest thing, is the air filter. That clip there, that clip there. Lift that up and out the way. That's your air filter in there. Literally lift that out. Obviously that's a lot easier with 2 hands. That doesn't look too second-hand. I'm going to blow that out with an airline and put it back. When you put it back on, tilt it to the right hand side. Make sure those 2 tabs go underneath those little loops there. And then just clip them back on at the front. Next up is the plugs. This is an SVT and a VVT, so you've got this module on the top, 4 10mm nuts across the top, and 2 coil packs will lift off the top. You might have to undo some plugs to get them off. This has got a strut brace as well, but if you pull the plugs off, you don't need to take that off. And then I've got a plug socket on a big long wrench. Pop that down in there, ratchet to undo them, then unscrew them, take them out. Once you put the new ones in, literally just put them in like that and then just do them hand tight. And then right at the end, literally do them up with your hand on top of the ratchet. If you hang on over here, you're going to do them too tight. Literally just pinch them up like that. That's tight enough. Then obviously you put all the core packs and everything back on, plug them all in, and then just these 10mm nuts, just pinch them up tight. They don't have to be busting tight. Then underneath is the oil. 17mm for your drain plug, which is there. Undo that, let that drain. While that's draining, you then got to get to the oil filter, which is down in there. Now this is the 1.8 SVT, so you've got extra stuff here. You could just about get your hand to it, but not with any strength to undo it. So I jack the wheel up, and then you could just about see it up there. That's the new clean one, I've already put that on. And again, to get to it, you can only just about get your hand to it. So I use these filter pliers, which are, in my opinion, an absolute must. Then when I did it up, I could only kind of get like a finger and thumb to it. So when I did it up tight, I gave it a little pinch up with those, not too tight, just enough. And there you go, that's pretty much it. If that was helpful, like, subscribe, check out my other videos, send me some medicine for my voice, and I'll see you on the next one.